Someone just stole my wallet.
Oh no, Sammy, what did they look like?
Bea, I don't know. It happened so fast.
This is tricky, but I think I know what to do. We'll sketch them.
But Bea, I'm terrible at drawing.
You don't have to draw, Sammy. Along with being a master forensic scientist, I am also a certified police sketch artist. The police call me when they need a sketch of a criminal.
Okay, I think I'm ready.
Don't worry, Sammy. We'll catch them. First, did you notice any really distinguishable features? Was there anything about them that stood out to you?
Yes, he was a man. He had really dark curly hair. He had green eyes. He had a really sharp chin, a long nose, like really long nose, a really small mouth, and a mustache, and a scar along his right eye.
Okay, I think I got it. Does this look like the man?
Yes, that's him. I'm gonna go show this to people on the street and see if anyone has seen him.
Thanks to you all for helping us solve the case. See you next time.